Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the reduction in the syllabus as per the guidelines issued by Government of Maharashtra. Our subject is bookkeeping and accountancy, 12th standard. So before we go for the reduced syllabus, let us first see the regular syllabus. So in regular syllabus, our topics are like this. Our first topic is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Our second topic is accounts of not-for-profit concern. Our third topic is reconstitution of partnership, that is admission of a partner. Our fourth topic is reconstitution of partnership, that is retirement of a partner. Fifth topic is reconstitution of partnership, that is death of a partner. Sixth topic is dissolution of partnership. Seventh is bills of exchange. Eighth is company accounts, issue of shares. Ninth is analysis of financial statements. And 10th is computer in accounting. Now, I will just give you the brief idea. The first topic, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. It is related to final account of a trading concern. Then we are having a second topic, which is also related to final account of not-for-profit concern. So both these topics, topic number 1 and topic number 2, they are related to final account. I have prepared videos on these two topics and already uploaded that. Okay, but I have not discussed the syllabus before, so I am discussing today with the reduced syllabus. Now we are having topic number 3, 4, 5. These are related to each other. They are related to reconstitution of firm. Means some changes are taking place in the firm on account of admission, retirement or death of a partner. Then we are having topic dissolution of firm. Here there is a complete closure of the firm and we require some accounting treatments. Then we are having 7th topic, bills of exchange. It is one document used in case of credit transaction. So how to record this transaction in the books of account, that we are going to learn in this topic. Then we are having company accounts, issue of shares. So this is related to joint stock company where the company is issuing shares to the public. So that time whatever accounting treatments are required, that we are going to learn in this topic. Analysis of financial statement. It is related to analysis of various financial statements and the tools which are used for analyzing the statements. And we are having computer in accounting, that is use of computer in accounting. So these are the 10 topics they are given in our syllabus. Now as per the latest guidelines, we have some changes in the syllabus for the current year only. So here I have given 12th bookkeeping and accountancy Maharashtra board proposed paper pattern I am writing, because 100% they have not given. Whatever was important, that is discussed now in the circular. So I am trying my best that you can understand it well. Now see, this proposed paper pattern is 25% cut in portion only for the academic year 2020-21 and it is for 80 marks. You know that in the new pattern also we are having 80 plus 20 system. Now here we are having first question, objectives. Okay, now this objective question, they have not disclosed any marks so far. But as per the FIGC paper pattern, objectives will be of 20 marks and there will be 4 sets in that. Okay, so that I am going to discuss separately. Now they have given guidelines for problem number 2. Here they have made it clear that 2 problems will be given, one on admission and one on retirement, and you are supposed to attempt any one. Marks they have not given. Same way, question number 3 they have already given, solve any one problem. Topics are dissolution of partnership firm or bills of exchange. So 2 problems will be given. You are supposed to attempt any one. Here also marks are not given. Question number 4, again 2 problems will be given. You have to solve any one. Problem on issue of shares or computer in accounting. So these 2 problems will be given. And question number 5, solve any one problem. Once again, two problems are given: death of partner or analysis of financial statement. So they have already cleared this. Question number 2, they have already given that these will be the options. Question 3, these are the options. Question 4, these are the options. Question 5, these are the options. And question 6 and question 7, they have not given. But out of the 10 topics, 8 problems they are asking in these 4 questions. So the 2 topics remaining, that is accounts of NPO and partnership final account. So we are thinking that accounts of NPO will be asked as a question number 6, or it may be asked as a question number 7, and partnership final account may be also asked as a question number 6 or 7. So I have just used the word here propose. So it may be anything, but mostly now the marks are not given here, but as per the FYGC pattern, objectives are of 20 marks. Question 2 and question 3, they are of 10 marks each. Question 4 and question 5, they are of 8 marks each. And question number 6 and 7, they are 12 marks each. So accordingly, there is a total of 80 marks. Now let us see. Now, which are the topics meant for self-study? Or you can keep these topics in option for practical problem. Now we have seen that in paper pattern, question number 2, I have colored with a red color: retirement of partner, bills of exchange, computer and accounting, and analysis of financial statement. So these are the topics that they have kept for self-study. So retirement, bills of exchange, analysis of financial statement, and computer and accounting. These topics you can keep in option only for practical purpose, not for objectives. That you have to remember, because there are no guidelines for objectives. Objective is common, and I will give you the circular. Circular is given here. In that you can see that objectives is not removed. The pages are there in the syllabus. So these are the 4 topics. Now, question number 1, on the basis of FYGC as well as SYGC textbook, there are 10 types of objectives and they can ask any 4. So they are compulsory. There is no option there. Okay, so what type of objectives they can ask? Select the correct option and rewrite the statement. That is, you will be given the options. One answer will be right. So you have to write that. Give one word, phrase or term that is known to you. You have to answer in one word, term or phrase. State true or false with reason. Only 2 statements. This is the new type of objective they have introduced now. You have to state whether the following statement is true or false. So for that 1 mark, and for giving correct reason, whether it is true or false, 1.5 marks. So total each sentence will be of 2.5 marks. So only 2 statements will be given. All the objectives, there will be 5 statements here. For the first one, second one also, third one only there are 2 statements. Then the next one is find the odd one. Now in find the odd one, you will be given some 4 name of the accounts. Say for example, they are giving name of 3 assets and name of 1 liability. So liability is the odd one. So that is your answer. Complete the sentences just like the fill in the blank only. Answer in 1 sentence. Here you have to answer in 1 sentence. Do you agree or disagree? Here it is true and false, but you have to state whether it is you agree or disagree, and no reason is to be given. Calculate the following. So here you will be given calculations like you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio or the new ratio, or you have to calculate the interest on capital in case of partnership firm. Okay, interest on drawings, like that. Okay, then give specimen. Here you have to draw the specimen. In SYGC we are having only specimen of bills of exchange. Okay, so we can expect the specimen from that topic only, and complete the table. So here you will be given the table. Matter will be given, below that table will be given, so 1 figure will be missing. So this you can check in topic admission of partner, they have given the table, so you can check there. Okay, now Let us see the circular which is given by the Maharashtra government. So this is the non-evaluation portion for academic year only for bookkeeping and accountancy. You can see the name of the all the chapters, 10 chapters, and these are the page numbers. Okay, and there you can the matter for self-study is activity box. So this is all the extra work. Okay, now I'll just explain you what is that extra work. See, these are the activity box at the end of every topic is given. That is the extra work, not for evaluation. So this part, this year you are not supposed to do. Okay, so that is what they have given here, extra work. So activity box you have to exclude. Okay, there is no need of learning. And in the topic retirement, bills of exchange, analysis of financial and computer accounting, it is for self-study, as I told you, and they have given Suchna. Now what is that Suchna? That we'll see. Here they have given question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, as I've already given there. Okay, so this is the question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Means whatever is highlighted, that you can keep in option, but not necessary. You can learn, you can select. Here also it is highlighted is analysis of financial statement. Now say for example, here the topic dissolution and bills of exchange is given. Now they have highlighted bills of exchange. But if you are finding bills of exchange easy, then you can do bills of exchange instead of dissolution of partnership. The choice is with you. You have to decide what you want to do and what you not want to do. In addition to that, they have given that those who want to do the professional exams like CS, CS, CMA, for them learning this particular self-study also, self-study topics also you have to learn. And the activities box, that is the extra work that they have told that they are not going to ask in the exam. Okay, that is not for evaluation. Okay, so please follow these instructions and prepare accordingly. Okay, and I have already uploaded videos on the topic 1, 12 videos where I have given the concepts clearly, and I have also solved the important problems. Also in the second topic NPO, I have given videos on the important concepts and important problems. So please like, share and subscribe.